Hello there guys, it's your boy Investor Black and I welcome you back to the course. In the last video, I shared how you can use search analysis to your advantage. I shared different ways to do search analysis and how you can use it to optimize your content for search discovery. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to generate your hit list after doing your search analysis. Now, why do you want to generate a hit list? Well, most of us don't always feel like making video because sometimes you're super excited about pushing out content. Some other times you are not. Probably you're busy or something like that. Okay, you don't want to depend on motivation all the time to push out content, because if you do, you're gonna fail as a YouTuber. People that have crushed it on the YouTube business as faceless YouTube channel owners or face YouTube channel owners, they did so well because they pushed out so much content that people could obviously see the glaring consistency, right? And for you to be able to do that much, you need to save yourself the time to do the brain processing, to think. You don't want to think, you just want to push out as much content, high quality content as possible. And that is what I'm going to be sharing with you today. I'm going to eliminate all the brain work and make sure that you can push out or you can plan a year's worth of content, a month's worth of content in like a day or two using this method that I'm going to be sharing. Okay, you can use a week to even plan the whole year's worth of content, right? So that is basically hit list generation. So without wasting time, let's jump right into it. So I'm going to be showing you how to generate your hit list. And a hit list, each component, these are the components of each video in your hit list. So when you're creating a hit list for each video, you should get the title, you should get the tags, the description, the duration, the thumbnail reference, and possible improvements. That way, when you want to work on that video, you don't have to think about the title, you don't have to think about the tags, the description, the duration, the thumbnail reference, or improvements. All these things will be sorted out during the creation of your hit list. That way, the moment you want to make the video, you just jump straight into creating your voiceover if it is a faceless channel, or doing your research so that you can actually do a talking head video on your content, right? So that's basically what I'm going to be showing you in this video. In the previous video, if you remember, I showed you how you can steal like an artist. So I'm going to be building up on that, okay? The fastest way to create a hit list is to first of all pick a niche, then follow people in your niche. Let's say you're creating a movie recap channel, okay? What you want to do is go to all those channels that are doing well, copy their best performing videos, copy the video title, copy the video tags, copy even the video description, check how long that video their own was, check their thumbnail reference, check what should be improved. I'm going to be showing you how to do all this in this video. So without wasting time, all you have to do is first of all head over to YouTube. So I'm going to be using the YouTube video recap, that movie recap channel, for the purpose of this example, right? So I'm going to search movie recap. So let's say I own a movie recap channel. By the way, I own a movie recap channel. That is why I am sharing this as well. So you can also set up your own movie recap. It's difficult, but it pays like crazy. So movie recap is 2025. Okay, so I'm going to hit enter and let's see what is going to pop up as my search result. So as you can see, the first channel that comes up is movie recaps. The second one is Fantastic Captain. The third one is Fantastic Captain again. The fourth one is Film Crop. Fifth one is 2 days ago. So what you want to do is open these channels up in new tabs. Okay, these channels are doing so well. As you can see, from just 15 hours ago, this channel has gotten 112k views. That is crazy. 15 hours. It's not even up to a day. How many views will this video get in 1 month? Probably a million, right? So that is what I want you to understand about Faceless YouTube channel and what I'm about to teach you. It's a major life-changing opportunity for you, and your $50 is well spent, right? So what you want to do is open up the profile of these people in new tabs. Movie recaps, fantastic captain, 3 months ago. Open a new tab, 2 million views. Scroll down, see story recap. This is another one. Open a new tab. Remember, I already shared the Chrome plugin I use to get thumbnails from videos, title, tags, and description, right? So film crop, open a new tab. So I'm going to just use this few for the illustration of what you should be doing. So once you've opened these people's channel on a new tab, you want to subscribe to their channel so that you don't have to go searching for them every single time. Subscribe to their channel so when they post a new video, boom, you jump on it and make your own version of the video. That way you will never run out of content. Let me show you what I mean. So the first one on our list is this one right here, right? Movie recaps official. So once you open up this people's page, the next thing you want to do is go to their videos tab and click on videos. Then after that, you need a place to write, or you need a place to list all your movies. Okay, so you need a place to write down your hit list. You could use Google Docs. You could also use Microsoft Word for storing these things. If you have any software, like me, I use this tool called Notepad, the one I am using right now. I use it to document stuff, so you can also use it as well. So once you've done that, click on the one that says popular, click on the popular tab, then look for videos that are popular. Remember, I showed you how to do this in the previous video. So basically, you want fresh videos that are performing well. You don't want to go for old videos, like videos from 3 years ago. As you can see, this one from 3 years ago is getting 16 million views. This one from 3 years ago, 2 years ago, you see 3 years ago 7 million views, 2 years ago 9 million views. So if you were to pick between these two videos, which would you pick? You will go with this one that is fresher and has more views. So you get the idea. So that's basically how to select the videos to remake. So this one 3 years ago, no, 2 years ago. So personally, if I want to start, I will start with the ones 1 year ago, 3 months ago, 1 year ago, 3 months ago. Okay, 1 year ago, 3 months ago. The reason for this is because I want my videos to look recent, because some persons actually prefer recent videos, right? So as you can see, this one is 1 year ago, 5 million views. Let's see, 1 year ago, 5 million views. So basically, all you have to do is copy this video. Remember, the first thing we are doing is copying what? We are copying the title. So you copy the video title. So I'm going to be using my notepad for this just to show you what I mean. So we'll do title. So let's say my first video, title for my first video, tags for my first video, description for my first video, duration for my first video, and what again? Thumbnail reference for my first video, and improvement. So for the thumbnail reference, all you have to do is actually copy the URL of the original video if you don't want to stretch yourself. So I'm going to say thumb ref URL. Okay, so that's basically it for this. So the title of this video, this particular video that I want to use to illustrate how to go about this is let's see, I need something that looks really good. This one right here looks good. So I'm going to copy. I'm going to open this on a new tab. Open. Okay, so once it opens up, you can now go ahead and copy the title. So I'm going to Ctrl C, copy the title and paste it here. Then the next thing you want to do is copy the tags if it has tags. If it doesn't have tags, don't add tags. If it doesn't have descriptions, don't add descriptions, because whatever they did worked for them, right? So that's basically what you're going to be doing. So we're going to copy the title, we're going to copy the description. For this video, this particular recap doesn't have tags, so we are not going to bother about getting tags for our video. As you can see, no video tags, no channel tags. All we have is our thumbnail reference, which I can go ahead and download, or I just have to copy the URL of this video and paste it under the thumbnail reference URL section. Then duration, I will check how long this video is lasting. This video is 24 minutes long, so I'm going to copy that 24 minutes. Then the description of the video is basically something short, okay, or one line description. So I'm going to go and put 24 minutes length. Sorry about that. I'm going to put 24 minutes. Then description, go and copy the description. So we now have our title. This video doesn't have tags, so I'm going to say no tags. So this is basically what your hit list should look like for your videos. So this is for one video. So you're going to repeat this process for as many videos as you're working on. So you can just do this, do for your next video, and so on and so forth, until you have at least 20 to 50 videos that is ready for creation. Once you've done this, then you now know that when you wake up every day, you're not confused about what to do. In the night, you can plan your next day's content. You can do a little bit of research to get the content ideas, to know how to generate your voiceovers, to generate your thumbnail and the rest. But this is very helpful if you want to hit the ground running, or if you want to set up a YouTube channel as a professional. You need a hit list. So this is basically it. There isn't too much to it. It's just you having a list of content, so you don't have to do too much thinking anymore, right? So that's basically it for this one. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to do prompt engineering. So prompt engineering is going to allow you to generate your video scripts. We now have our title. You can generate your video script for your movie recap channel, for your celebrity news channel, for your tutorial channel, generate thumbnails, generate images for your folktale channels and stuff like that. Once you've done that, then I'm going to show you how to marry all these things, how to put it all together so you can publish your video to YouTube. So that's it for this one, guys. Have a nice day and I love you guys. Bye.